Oh man. So this is Niagara, Buffalo, New York. This is like a director. Look at the director.
Yeah,
Gwen.
yeah. Yeah,
It's done,
I
no?
told you.
Oh my goodness. Oh my. This is a really nice, amazing one. And it's okay. We just take some video. This one. And hey. Hey, it's amazing. That's my actress and actor, Mr. Tom Harmon. What can you say in this area? What can you say, Gwen?
Perfect.
Perfect. Oh, that's the amazing answer. Perfect. Okay, here.
Not ask for more.
Yes. Tell me about Niagara Falls.
It's water.
It's water. Aside from water.
Let's go for a walk.
Uh-huh. Uy, Gwen. Yes. Time to walk.
Another light here.
Uy, another live that one here. Like, oh,
Yeah. You can take
okay. So here. Boy, I like this camera. You know why? Because I can see my face.
You can. Yeah, I told you that they're first.
Why you know this, Gwen?
No, we tried that last time.
No.
Remember, Andina, the one that we went to Lighthouse when I took video?
Yes.
Yeah, that's the one I used.
Mm-mm. This is what you use? Oh man. Okay, that's fine. Welcome to my vlog here in Niagara, New York.
Passou, pasó,
Oh.